Well, we officially ran out of road last night.
So here we are.
We're on the Jersey Shore. Wow, it's windy. Came out here to do some surfing for the next couple days. Today's kind of blown out.
Literally.
Blown out. Tomorrow the wind's supposed to be shifting. It looks pretty good, so we're super excited. Today we're just gonna get our bearings, kind of do some looking around, navigating, trying to figure out what's in the area. Waves are pumping out there right now, but man, it's a mess. I hope that's the only shark we find. That's absolute madness out there. I'm not sure how much you could actually hear because the wind is whipping at like 45 miles an hour. It's currently 46 degrees. I think we're nuts, but in the next day or so, we're gonna be in that water.
But the water is warmer than the air.
By a few degrees. I think it's like mid 50s. Tomorrow, the swell's supposed to be really good from all this wind pushing in. The wind's supposed to change direction, go offshore. We should have right around 7 foot at 9 seconds, I think, which is amazing. Coming from the lakes, being able to come out here to the ocean, that's gonna be great. We're gonna drive around, we're gonna hit up a surf shop, one of the local places here, see if they have any advice to give us, and we'll go from there. So we just stopped into Surfer Supply in Ocean City, New Jersey. Talked to the guys in there, tons of advice. Found out that it's actually one of the like OG surf shops in the area. It's been here since 1962. If you're in the area, stop in, talk to these guys. They're amazing, super helpful. They told us lots of the areas to look for, what kind of waves where we were going to be up against, long rides, short rides, steep rides, you got it. So definitely if you're in the area, stop in. They gave us tons of advice to go off of. So tomorrow we should be setting up real nice, hopefully catch some waves. So for the rest of the day, I think we're gonna chill, hang out, drive around, kind of scope out some of these areas that they pointed us in the direction of.
Sounds like a pretty good afternoon.
Absolutely. All right. Next time you see us, hopefully we'll be in the water. Okay, so I fibbed. I said the next time you're gonna see me, I was gonna be in the water, but figured we'd show you some of the spots. This place, just south of Margate, it's called The Point, but if you ever watch Ben Gravy, this is one of the spots that he surfs a lot. I think it's just south of Slammo, or it is El Slammo. That is a body and board breaker today. That is why we are not going out there. That is insane. So this is near the Margate Pier.
Yeah.
Came recommended, right?
Yeah.
So he did say, depending on the weather tomorrow, this might be a good spot for some longer rides. Just the way the island is shaped out here and the way it breaks. So this will be on our radar for sure. So we just rolled into, I don't want to say the last suggestion of spots, but Ventnor Beach. So over here by this pier, supposed to be pretty good. I don't know, what's your choice so far?
Margate, but by far Margate.
So she's saying Margate, and it's time will tell for tomorrow and we'll see what it looks like, but Margate was the most open. There was not rock jetties everywhere and things to hurt yourself on, so.
Which I have quite the track record of doing.
So we're gonna check out this spot, kind of contemplate it, think about it, and then we'll get a good look at it tomorrow, and you should see us in the water tomorrow. Surfing New Jersey, November.